So I'm going down to the beach, or the jetty thing. Weird pricing structure in this town. When I had a meal with those folks last night, they kind of expected me to pay, and I felt it would be churlish not to. And that was 4,000, which I thought was a bit heavy really. It's about £2. And then in the place where I was staying, they were selling stout, little tins of stout, for 2,000. That's about £1. And then this morning, when I would pay for the room, only moments ago, that was £1. I don't get it. I suppose it's just because they're sort of out a bit and they charge more on all their goodies, but they can't charge too much for the hotel because it's a bit crap. If you're interested in rubbish, this is the place for you. If you're interested in a rather super view, I think it's over here. I mean, look at this, look. There's all the boats down there waiting to carry me. Other people, there's a little speedy one. Over there we've got sand dune things. This isn't bad at all, is it? Simbol. I'm buying a ticket. Look. Yeah.
This is nearly.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, this looks like a good game, doesn't it? I've got the thing on an angle anyway, but you just have to. Oh yeah, got one down the hole. Is he meant to? Oh, then you get a free shot. Look at this. Oh, he's good. This man's good. And he gets another go. Oh. Look what I've got. I'm stuck with this. And look at this hat. Look. Whoa. Oh, go down the steps. Let's not forget. I had Myanmar rum and whiskey yesterday, and a little bit drop of that wine. And I'm a bit clumsy, and I've got my pack on, so I'm taking my life on my hands, filming, going down the steps. Oh no, now what? Oh God. Oh, I can't do this sort of stuff. Oh God. Oh, and if by some terrible twist of fate you should lose a step, why? Just improvise. That's what you got to do. Adapt. That's why us humans are so... Ah! Having a little swim in the river, which is full of rubbish. Chuck it all in the water.
Now watch carefully, because I'm not entirely sure what's going on here. Somebody told me they think they're mining for gold, but they're mining something in the river. Looks quite ramshackle, but it's also very organised. And in this stretch of the river, there's a lot of it going on. So presumably it's paying. Somebody's buying all this kit, somebody thinks it's worth going for, but they're after something, aren't they? I don't know what. I think we've sort of stopped for lunch, but there's nothing laid on here like there was on yesterday's journey. Perhaps it's because we're on a shorter run today. Just sitting here waiting to see what happens, really. Terrain has really changed now. It's very sandy, and I think we're getting into shallower water, and I think we might have a problem. The guy at the front is looking to find a deepest parts and signalling. Oh dear. Oh.
We've got to walk over and walk round. Look, 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 there we go, look, look. Because the boats run aground, it's too heavy. It's all us big manly lot, we're walkie-walkieing. Well, oh, here comes some more walkie-walkies. Oh, she's game, look, she's one of the lads. I'll take this opportunity to have a widdly-widdly as well. Great landscape, isn't it, look. Fantastic the way all the dry sand and the wetland and little huts. If they leave me here, I'm going to be in the poo. So I guess I should try and catch up really. Oh, I finished widdly widdly. Shaky willy, tucky tucky, and off we go. So here I am, walking. Well, that's a pretty boat, look. Colours. Whoa. Back over to our boat. I wonder what sort of a discount I'm going to get. Do you think they'll refund me in cash or walkie-walkie vouchers? Here we go. Home again, home again. What a great adventure that was. Lovely, lovely.
Notice that it's getting a lot busier down the river now, so I think we must be getting close to our destination. To Bhamo, that cradle of modest civilization. Soon I'll be in a hotel or somewhere that I can call home again. Ah.
Well, this is Bhamo. And I think this building is the hotel. Let's have a look, shall we? Thought you were in heaven, didn't you? It's just me, look. There's my big fat belly. There's my big fat